Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to add transition in any media file in Camtasia. So for this, I'm picking some media file here. You can see this, that's an airplane right here. So I'm gonna add transition to it. But right now you can see if I try to play it, it just uh, simply show up. But it doesn't look nice at all, right? So to give it a more cool look, we can add transition to this airplane. So what we can do is we can just take a look. If you notice at my mouse cursor, if you need to click on transitions option in the left side of your Camtasia. Now you can see there are lots of transitions available, right? Like linear, blur, glitch, and morph, and lots of this type. So for sake of example, I'm gonna use this it's faded, right? So I'm gonna select wipe. So I'm gonna select action wipe or arrow wipe. Let's suppose I'm gonna select arrow wipe, and you need to put that thing in the if you just put that arrow wipe in the left side, it will just only put in the left side. But if you put it in the middle, it will automatically just put it in middle. Then you can see that if I try to play it, take a look, it just wiped out nicely, right? So let me just play it again. You can see it's uh, just to look like this. And if you want to increase the duration of that you know transition, or you can increase the duration of that transition. Okay, you can see it's added, and you can also delete that transition if you want. So let's suppose it's also the same thing happening in the end, ending part. So I'm gonna delete only the ending part of that transition. Now I'm gonna add gradient wipe in the end part. So now this is how it's look like. Okay, you can see it's just gradient wipe. So let me just show you. Okay, this is the transition, starting transition, and this is the ending transition. So in this way, you'll be able to add transition of you'll be able to add transition in any kind of media file in Camtasia.